Hello guys, this is Hero24 here, and I'm just gonna make like a quick 50-second video. All I want to say is that my phone, it just dropped like 10 times, and it's starting to like be retarded, so I don't think I'm gonna be making videos soon. So let's just see how this video comes out, and post in the comment section below. Wait, if it came out good, I should keep making Batman stuff. Well, I should start making Batman because I haven't made any effort to even try to make it. So I'm sorry, but I will. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Stay out of trouble. Peace out.